What's the secret to finding the perfect property in this highly competitive, low inventory market? It's finding an agent that has the secret seller map. The secret seller map is something that we keep at the Kaminsky Real Estate Group that is highly exclusive to our clients. These are properties that are not on the MLS yet. You can't find them on Zillow or Redfin or whatever app you're going to, realtor.com or even itsold.com, our site. The secret seller map remains secret, but once we understand exactly what you're looking for, we can identify if there's a match on the map and take you to this private showing. So who are these sellers and why do you always hear about off-market properties? Some cases it's a family situation. We'll call it divorce, right? And sometimes divorcing families don't want this information public. They'll still sell their home. They just don't want the world to know about it. And so we have access to those homes. New builds, we have access to homes that are under construction, that are not on the market, probably won't come on the market, and may sell before they ever are complete. We also have access to sellers that are prepping their home for sale. They don't mind if someone wants to buy it, but they don't want it on the MLS when it's not looking perfect. So getting early access to those homes. And then you have your make me move sellers. What's a make me move seller? I don't want my home for sale, but if you get me X price, I'm out of here. Currently, we have 53 homes on our secret seller map. And if you want to find out if any of those are a match for you, just text secret seller map to the number below and we'll get you access to that information and show you how to be a part of the secret seller map program.